U.S. intelligence agencies have intercepted communications between several different groups coordinating their efforts in what they're calling a fight for the right. Agents are monitoring the group near McCalla, Alabama, but have also performed reconnaissance of groups near Moncure, North Carolina, near the U.S. Nuclear Regulatory Commission federal office. So far, these individuals, numbering close to 200, have not shown any sign of aggression, but 24-hour surveillance is still being performed. More details will be shared when they are learned. Citizens are urged to avoid these areas and evacuate if anyone of hostile intent approaches them.